Hello everyone, this video will show you how to make Google Chrome as default web browser on your MacBook. So what you're going to do is click on the Apple icon that you see at the top left corner. Then you need to click on System Settings. Now it will open up this window. You can also maximize it. Now from the left hand side, click on Desktop and Dock. Now again in here, simply scroll down a little bit till you find under widgets you'll find default web browser. Okay, now you can click on these arrows that you see. It will list all the web browsers that are there on your MacBook. So I have web browser, I have Brave browser, Opera and Safari and Google Chrome. So right now as you can see, Google Chrome is there as the default one. So if you have Safari or any other web browser as the default one, simply click on the Google Chrome and this will be automatically saved. Then you can simply close it. Now whenever you will open any link inside the MacBook, it will simply open up in Google Chrome by default. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.